Great to see you again on AhTech, where green peppers, though small, remain widely grown vegetables, with global production exceeding 36 million tons across China, India, Mexico, and the United States. And in many regions, green peppers go beyond ingredients, driving rural economies and shaping global cuisine, from fresh markets and street food to sauces and canned products, before reaching dinner tables worldwide. Now we explore the journey from planting and nurturing to harvesting, processing, and final products, while the life cycle of green peppers begins deep in the soil, long before any fruit appears above ground. Preparation starts with soil, where farmers improve drainage, structure, and nutrients, while the Fendt 933 with twin wheels and Lemken 12 furrow plow delivers deep cultivation, enhancing aeration and enabling efficient field coverage under demanding large-scale farming conditions. On massive fields, the John Deere 9RX paired with a 2230 FH 70-foot cultivator covers extreme widths, breaking soil and preparing seed beds fast, boosting productivity across large-scale farms. If you enjoy real machines in action, like and subscribe for more. Now the process begins in nurseries, where controlled environments protect young seedlings from heavy rain, strong winds, and pests, allowing stable growth. Within 4 to 6 weeks, plants develop strong stems and root systems, preparing them for successful transplanting into open fields. Then comes transplanting, a critical stage where seedlings are placed 30 to 50 centimeters apart, ensuring proper air circulation, reducing fungal disease risks, and allowing each plant enough space to grow strong, healthy, and productive. Now in large-scale farms, mechanical transplanters boost efficiency and uniform planting, allowing thousands of seedlings within hours, while green peppers thrive in warm climates between 22 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, as temperatures above 36 degrees Celsius reduce fruit set and lower temperatures slow growth. At the same time, farmers monitor weather patterns while irrigation controls yield, as drip systems deliver water directly to roots, reducing evaporation, preventing waterlogging, and cutting usage by up to 45% compared to traditional methods, while maintaining stable moisture for fruit development. At every stage, fertilization continues, where early nitrogen drives leaf growth, while later potassium supports flowering and fruit firmness, and balanced nutrition directly impacts yield, fruit size, and shelf life across large-scale modern farming systems today. Pest and disease management remains a persistent challenge. Farmers spray pesticides manually to control aphids, mealybugs, and fungi, combining basic integrated pest management with careful monitoring to protect crops while reducing environmental impact. Meanwhile, with mechanized systems, sprayers cover large fields efficiently, applying precise amounts to control pests, while plants begin flowering around 40 to 60 days after planting under stable growing conditions. Now, pollination occurs naturally through insects and wind, with fruits forming in 7 to 14 days, then growing rapidly over a month, while harvest timing is critical before peppers turn red and change flavor. At harvest stage, farmers assess size, firmness, and color, picking 70 to 90 days after transplanting, often by hand in early morning or late afternoon, to reduce damage, maintain freshness, and limit heat stress. Beyond food, capsaicin is used in pharmaceuticals and topical treatments, increasing economic value, while farmers manage climate risks, soil fertility, and markets, supporting millions of smallholders in rural employment worldwide. However, the industry faces volatility from extreme weather, pests, and price fluctuations, as mechanization and improved varieties help stabilize yields, while sustainable practices protect soil health and reduce environmental impact. Across large commercial farms, semi-mechanized harvesting boosts speed and reduces fatigue. But careful handling is essential as bruised peppers spoil quickly, while well-managed fields produce 12 to 20 tons per hectare annually. After harvesting, peppers must be transported quickly, as fresh green peppers spoil within days without refrigeration, then sorted, cleaned, stems removed, and damaged fruits discarded before entering processing systems. Next, clean water removes contaminants, as peppers are separated for fresh markets or processing, where some are partially dried or lightly fried to reduce moisture, improve texture, and increase product value. This stage extends shelf life as peeled chilies undergo heat treatment to soften outer layers, allowing efficient removal of skin and seeds, while precision ensures uniform size, quality, and consistency across processed batches. Next, marinating and seasoning vary by product type, as chilies are mixed with oil, vinegar, or spices, while canning and packaging follow strict hygiene, with temperature control preventing microbial growth. Then quality control checks texture, flavor, and packaging integrity before distribution, as global demand grows, with export markets requiring consistent quality, food safety standards, certification, and reliable supply chains. Meanwhile, green chilies reach consumers in many forms, including fresh, frozen, pickled, canned, dried flakes, powders, and peeled products, while rich nutrients like vitamin C, A, and capsaicin boost health benefits.